Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing great. You're doing good. Happy weekend. Today is Saturday. Yeah. See the kids. You guys should say hello to me. So, guys, you can see my face. I did night, so I came back. I went to bed, woke up, eat, went back to bed. So now I'm up again. We are going out. We want to go and wash my car. I want to go and wash my car. People, the guys that washed car here, like you give them your car, they wash it. Do you know how much they told me to wash this car? They told me 15 euros. 15 euros. And I looked at it, I said, Omo, I go wash this car now. Me and my children. Oh yeah. I told them, okay, Vavene, ciao, I'm coming back. I say, might go carry 5 euros, so go wash this car myself. Because I can do it. I know that it's not difficult. The car is neat. It's just to wash it, just to give it out, feel free, feel at home. But the amount they're charging is a little bit high. I was thinking it's something of 10 euros I'll give to them. When I went, I said 15 euros. I said, for what? Let's do it ourselves. Also, guys, if this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're seeing this face, you're seeing this family. This is Angie and family. I'm a mommy blogger living in Italy. A mom of 4. You can see them. See my squad, then see their faces, them and their this. So I told them today, they'll be disturbing me inside. They'll be disturbing me. So I told them, let's go and wash the car. All of them, they will walk. Everybody go put hands together. We'll wash this car. Okay, guys. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you're seeing my videos, my friends, my family here on YouTube, please share this video out. When you are not coming, or when you are not maybe if you people are not seeing you always, they think they do forget you. So please, guys, help me share my videos out, so my people who have not been coming, who have not been seeing me, we know that I'm back. Okay, that we are back, that Angie is here, so you can see it. Okay, come and watch and support me. Okay, I love you guys. So let us go. I'm taking you guys along. I will show you guys how will we do it, me and these children. Okay, see you when we get there. We are at the place. I forgot to I'm going to show you guys when we get down. Oh my god, I don't know if this man can take one command. So let's go down. So guys, we are at the place, and guys, I went to the other side. Sorry that I didn't go with you guys to go and buy the coins I'll be using. So they don't this machine do not give back change. I put in my 10 euro, give me 12 coins which I'll be using. Well, bring out the bag. At that place we need it okay, side. I'll hang it. So guys, we have brought out these ones. Aaron, who hold this camera? Jay, guys, this is our new car. I forgot to show you guys. After I got my first car had an accident, so Hobby decided to change this one for us. So there's 7 seaters, you can see. So hold it like this. Hey, shorty the school to my rocket, I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you're not supposed to do. Thinking it's gonna shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all lie when they know the truth. Hey, they'll cry in the end when she leave and you take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op?
Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Ayy, shorty the school to my rocket, I'm not talking about Jack Black. Ayy, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, it's all out when they know the truth. Ayy, it's all cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Namaste. they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Late day.
Essa fone, mama.
Yes.
Usa, velho.
When you use this one at day, so
It's like working out my Thursday. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if you catch me with you, it be going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, you be gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn, 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rocket, I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, it's all lie when they know the truth. Hey, so I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the.
So guys, you can see that it's very late now, but we are done with the car washing, so we have cleaned everywhere. We're going back to the house now, so I'm going to end this video here. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching up to this extent. May God bless you. Continue to support us. Okay, see the girl, the children are even carried. Let them come and help me. They're here playing, even making someone to shout. See what? See, you see the problem? No problem. I'm gonna be ending this video here. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.
What you do when you doing something you're not supposed to do.